Hello students, in this video we are going to understand how to scan a paper and how to upload it on your drive. So let's get started. Click and type Adobe Scan. We would recommend Adobe Scan. Click on the install button. Wait for it to get downloaded. Once done, click on the open button. Now it's time to log in the Adobe Scan using your Google ID. So choose sign in with Google and choose the ID. Now click on Let's Go and you have to allow Adobe Scan to take pictures and record video. You have to give few permissions. Now it's done. So let me repeat few points. Number 1 is use Fullscape sheet to write the answers and please start writing on fresh page and if possible use black pen. Neat and clean handwriting as you have to upload this paper by clicking its images. The picture should be clear to the teacher. On the first few lines of the first page, write down first terminal examination, your full name, grade, division, roll number, subject and date. At the top of every page, on left hand side, write your name, grade, division and roll number along with the subject. On the right hand side, with page number in big font. You can keep it ready beforehand also. And please do not forget to write the correct question and answer number. Uploading time. Please keep this time strictly for uploading your answer script. Do not write anything in that time. You simply have to click the photo of your answer script from the first page to last page in good light. It should be one single PDF file. Please do not upload separate pictures. Make it one and then upload it on Drive and then upload it. First of all, image of every page should be clear and in portrait orientation. This is portrait orientation, that is vertical orientation. Do not click landscape orientation pictures, that is horizontal. Once you take a picture, you must crop the unwanted portion while scanning. So just make sure. So just drag the handles to adjust the borders. That's completely fine. Shadows on the image will not be accepted. Now click on continue. If you have more than one page, just flip to the next one, line it up and wait for the next snap. Repeat as needed until you have captured all the images. And click on continue. Now once you have scanned all pages, click on this icon. Before saving, make sure all pages are vertical, cropped correctly and in good light without shadows. Now as I can see, the picture is not clear, so you can crop it later as well. So you can adjust the borders and it's done. Now it's time to rename the file correctly. So write down your grade, division, roll number, full name, subject and term. So for example, I will write down 10th underscore B, this is my division, underscore my roll number 16, underscore my name is Arav. Write on your subject, English, paper 1 and underscore write down first term. Now Click on OK. Now it's time to save PDF. Now we will understand how to create exam folder in your Google Drive. So simply go to Google Drive application on your smartphone. Now click on this top right icon, that is your profile picture, or it can be initial also, and find your email address and your ID will get open. Now click on this plus sign at the bottom right and click on this folder, the very first option, and rename the folder as exam and click on the create button. Now you can save the scanned copies of all your answer script in this folder. Now simply share it and it's done, and we can easily check. Yes, now from here you can submit your paper. Thank you.